Hey everyone. Today, I want to dive into something that might seem a little unusual at first, but is absolutely fascinating: the medicinal uses of Catharanthus, also known as the Madagascar periwinkle. Now, you might be thinking, what's so special about a flower? Well, let me tell you, this little plant has some serious superpowers that have made a huge impact in the world of medicine. First off, let's talk about where this plant comes from. Catharanthus is native to Madagascar, which is a pretty incredible place, full of biodiversity and unique flora and fauna. The locals have been using this plant for centuries, but it wasn't until the mid-20th century that Western medicine really started to pay attention. And why? Because this plant is a treasure trove of alkaloids, which are chemical compounds that can have powerful effects on the human body. You may have heard of two specific alkaloids derived from Catharanthus: vincristine and vinblastine. These compounds have been game changers in the treatment of cancer. Vincristine, in particular, is used to treat childhood leukemia, while vinblastine is effective against Hodgkin's lymphoma and testicular cancer. Imagine that. A plant that most people overlook in their gardens has the potential to save lives. It's incredible how nature can provide us with such potent medicine. Now let's take a moment to think about how this all works. The way these alkaloids function is by interfering with the cancer cell's ability to divide. In simpler terms, they disrupt the process that allows cancer cells to multiply and spread throughout the body. This is crucial because one of the biggest challenges in treating cancer is stopping those cells from taking over. So, in a way, Catharanthus is like a tiny warrior fighting against the odds. But wait, there's more. Beyond cancer treatment, Catharanthus has also been studied for its potential in treating other health conditions. For instance, some research suggests that extracts from this plant might help manage diabetes. The compounds found in Catharanthus can help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. For those living with diabetes, this could be a game changer in how they manage their condition. And let's not forget about its potential benefits for heart health. Some studies have indicated that Catharanthus can help lower blood pressure and improve circulation. High blood pressure is often referred to as a silent killer, and finding natural ways to combat it is something many people are interested in. Imagine being able to sip on a tea made from this beautiful flower while also doing something good for your heart. Now, I know some of you might be wondering about the safety and side effects of using Catharanthus. It's crucial to approach any medicinal plant with caution. While the alkaloids in Catharanthus have proven to be effective, they can also be toxic in high doses. That's why it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before considering any herbal remedies. It's all about balance, right? Nature offers us these amazing gifts, but we need to respect them and use them wisely. Another interesting aspect of Catharanthus is its role in traditional medicine systems around the world. In many cultures, the leaves and roots of the plant are used to treat a variety of ailments, from fever to digestive issues. It's fascinating how different cultures have their own unique ways of utilizing the same plant for various health benefits. This speaks to the universal quest for healing and wellness, doesn't it? Now, let's shift gears a bit and talk about how you can incorporate Catharanthus into your life. If you're not already growing this plant, it's relatively easy to cultivate. It thrives in warm climates and can be grown in pots or gardens. Not only will you have a beautiful flower to admire, but you'll also have access to its potential health benefits right at your fingertips. Just imagine walking through your garden and knowing that you have nature's medicine growing right there. For those who aren't into gardening, there are also supplements available that contain extracts of Catharanthus. Again, I can't stress enough the importance of doing your research and talking to a healthcare provider before trying anything new. But if you're looking for a natural way to boost your health, this could be an option worth exploring. As we wrap up, I want to emphasize the importance of looking to nature for solutions to our health problems. In a world dominated by pharmaceuticals and synthetic drugs, it's refreshing to remember that many of our most effective medicines come from plants. Catharanthus is just one example of how nature can provide powerful healing properties that we can harness for our benefit. So, whether you're a gardener, a health enthusiast, or someone simply curious about the wonders of the natural world. I hope you found this exploration of Catharanthus enlightening. It's incredible to think about how a small flower can have such a significant impact on our health and well-being. Let's keep the conversation going about the power of plants and how we can incorporate them into our lives for better health. If you enjoyed this monologue and want to learn more about the fascinating world of medicinal plants, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What other plants are you curious about? Let's explore this journey together. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.